We're having a look at an exclusive and a stunning masterpiece 8 BHK duplex converted into a massive gargantuan 5 BHK plus the Mandir Room and the balconies, and everything here is unique, pristine, branded and one of a kind in Goregaon East near Oberoi Mall, a fantastic tower called Ivy Towers at Vasant Valley with 3 stilt car parking spaces. Everything has been taken care of in terms of putting everything in its place, which belongs where it is suited. This is the live-in space, and we entered from here, this way here. So this was the entry and this is still the entry, but now what they've done is they have widened the entry, and this is your staff room. So the wide entry takes you right into the lovely live-in space here and the kitchen area. Now that's your staff room. So important, you got washing machine and the dryer, and that one here, the bathroom as well here, and the separate entry and exit with the storage and the cabinets here. So that's become a storage room now instead of a bathroom, but you can still convert it into a bathroom if you have staff in the house, because such a big house requires upkeep and maintenance. It's a lavish and a luxurious. Now this one here as well, if you see, this is your shoe racks here, and they have made I'm just telling you, the devil is in the details. The small holes here as well, so that the air passes through, where you have shoe rack and the shoes inside, so there is no accumulation of air inside. It just passes through, so it becomes cleaner and neater. So this is what it is I'm talking about. Every small minutest detail and the minutiae which has been taken care of. We haven't just gone past through here, because everything here we'll be discussing is just totally out of the world and larger than life. You see this one as well, the chips here I want to show you, the onyx marbles, the chips here, the wooden ones here. So this, everything here has been, most of the things will have been imported. That elevator as well, good news, you got an elevator which takes you to the 19th level. So you have senior citizens at home, you can absolutely get them the comfort and the luxury within this luxurious house. Mother of pearl design. These are the materials inside, the design inside here. So mother of pearl here as well. Every wooden work, the marble flooring, the marbles, it's just outstanding and exquisite. Now everything that has been explained to me by the seller and the owner, I was just gobsmacked and mesmerized by the awe and the beauty of this one. You got a big massive balcony as well, so huge balcony, so that you have a lot of air and sunlight. This is going to be an open view all the time. Goregaon East, one of the most coveted and affluent areas in the suburbs. We have a lovely, beautiful kitchen there as well. Let's go and have a look at that one. And what they have done is, what you can do is, because you'll have your guest being served here and taken care of, the door has been created so that this shuts and there's no smell going in and out, and there's no disturbance to the guests and to the people in the kitchen. So what we have is the dining area on the other side, so people cooking and serving can just go directly from there and serve there, instead of coming here and disturbing each other. So every point that I'll be pointing out adds great value to this kind of luxurious apartment duplex penthouse. This is only for the upper echelon, somebody who knows the value of it. Now this granite as well, so it's all top notch and topmost quality. And the Siemens, these are the Siemens inbuilt ovens and the conventional ovens, and you got the cooktop as well as the hob as well, with ample storage everywhere. The kitchen is proper designer kitchen. It's in a designer duplex penthouse. Everything remains as it is where it is. You got more area outside here as well, so that This is your Vasant Valley. Now have a look at this one as well. The material, everything that's been used is top class and top notch. What you can, I can show you here as well. This is your duct area where you have the storage. So beautifully designed and thoughtfully planned. The mountain look as well. So a lot of greenery, fresh air coming in. Humongous, about 3,000 square feet carpet area. Everything here and the storage everywhere. It's just awesome, brilliant kind of things being used. It's sensational. So that's your area as well, the dry and wet area. So you got another stuff here. What I can show you is basically this is your door here. So what you can do is just shut this here as well, and that takes you to the dining area where you can pop in and out of the dining area. Your staff can do this and it doesn't look ugly where the washing and the drying is being held. So what you can do is just shut it, and that's the one here. That's your dining. So there was 4-bedroom down there, 4-bedroom up, 8 BHK converted into a big gargantuan 4.5 BHK. So it's got a Mandir Room as well. I want to show you the Buddha here. It's a beautiful place created now with the marbles and the gardens, and again the material and the product being used is tremendous. The lightings, the curtains, huge and humongous. And what we got, an elevator which is hydraulic, which is as soon as it just on the lights just switch on and off. So kind of when the person is getting in, it senses that somebody's in, so it works accordingly. You got a staircase as well. The architect has designed and got all the BMC approval, and when the building was being made, he got everything in place and then got it designed. So everything is approved. You got nice this one as well, the wooden work. Have a look at this one, the sink here as well, exclusive and exquisite. You got a big beautiful Mandir area. I want to show you here as well. What we have is another serving area, and you got an induction cooking with the marble on top here and the wooden tiling. So outside is wooden tilings because when it rains it will not destroy and demolish it. And again, this one, the duct area, you have a lot of storage here. Have a look at this one, very smartly designed. So every storage area that you have is camouflaged and hidden. It's not out and about. With the serving area here, you can have your breakfast, you can have your meals, you can have your 6 to 8 seater dining as well. So you got a bedroom up here, and there was a bedroom down there as well. Now they made it into a big, nice, beautiful mandir space. Seek divine intervention. This is your glass painting here, and what they've done is this everything here, the wooden material has been assimilated into one bit by bit by the artisans, and they've got this made after a long due process. So everything gone into it. It was with a lot of love and affection. There you go. That's your lot of light and sunlight as well. So a lot of air coming in through. It's a top floor. You got a little wash basin here, but big, beautiful, gorgeous mandir space, which I have a look at on top as well. It's got the same thing. They've got it done. So the seller explained to me that there's a lot of time and money and efforts gone into it, but the product that has come out is mystifying and electrifying. Have a look at this bedroom here. It's got a proper bedroom. I wanted to show you. I just forgot because the bathrooms are camouflaged in such a way so it doesn't, Have a look at this. This is the bathroom here. You got a shower area here as well. You got a duct storage. If I take you in, you got a massive storage behind. So all the bathrooms are camouflaged. So it doesn't look like somebody's popping in and out of bathroom. Just camouflage. Have a look at this. Doesn't look anything. So going into the bedroom here, humongous, exclusive and exquisite. with the master attached bathroom as well. Ensuite, you got a dressing area. Now here as well, you got full height wardrobes, full height, absolutely smashing indeed. And the duct area here with the grills, and it's airy and beauty. So that's a proper wardrobes, camouflage in such a way that it gives you the show and also doesn't make you feel that it's jutting out. The wooden work is classy. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look upstairs as well, go up and check the rest of the 3 bedrooms plus the common area. Nice granite flooring as well, and the steps. This was taken from there's one in ITC Grand Maratha as well. So something it's called, I don't remember that, chiplets, the kind of design. So the best ideas are stolen. So this is there in ITC Grand Maratha as well. Now this is another window. So it's so much space and light and air and ventilation. Look at the design, the glass behind as well. We came from there. The lift brings you up. We got a massive living space. So upstairs as well, they got designed as 1 bedroom, 2 and 3. And you could convert this into bedroom, but this is your open living space. And you can use this as your balconies as well, overlooking the beautiful mountains. Exclusive and designed by the architect that are well known. Let's go and check what we have here. And you got a storage here as well, there as well. You've got a bedroom here. Let me show you this one. So again, a mother of pearl design behind here, this one and this one as well, the door. Ceiling foot is easily 12 feet height, and a big nice area with the wardrobes and the dressing area. Have a look at the bedroom size. Marvelous. And the design, the tiling here with the glass, cubicle where the shower happens. The water doesn't come out and flow out. It's by Toto as well. The brand Toto. So everything is expensive and expanse as well given by the sellers. Let's go and see this one. Excellent and exclusive. Now where do you find the wardrobes? I'll show you where. This is a master suite. The wardrobes and the bathroom and the dressing is there. We got a nice balcony here where what happens is if you're gone out, you can shut this with the grills. So that's the safety. So the safety has also been taken care of. The big balcony here, that's your bedroom. And bird's eye view of everything. You're on top of the world, top notch. This is for the aficionados. This is not for the bourgeois. The kind of apartment, duplex, penthouse. This is now onyx marble as you see. If I go around and keep explaining, the video will be an hour long. There we go. We can open this up and open this to a beauteous and a tremendous dressing area as well. And the walk-in wardrobes with the glass here. You see the kind of height, the full heighted wardrobes. Again, wardrobes everywhere. And this one here, so that's the balcony. This grill has been done so that nobody comes inside from there. And also aesthetically, it gives you a good look and show as well. So somebody is dressing here in this area through the balcony. So each and everything has gone into this one. Again, the sink and the storage here, massive. This kind of an apartment is the first time ever on our YouTube channel. The shower area, the bathrooms, first time ever on our YouTube channel. I'm just gobsmacked and enamored by this majestic apartment. Just taking you through everywhere. We check that one, we check this one here, the living space, the storage here as well. the elevator, and the last and the final bedroom. Saving the best for last, 2 bedrooms combined into one. Massive flooring is wooden as well. Italian marble, 3 marble pieces combined into one, segregated by 2 lines. This is the wavy one. This is a proper marble. This is not something that you think is just a copy. It is original. It's the real McCoy. And have a look at this one as well. I was explained by the seller about this. Every chiplet has been combined and made into one. And behind that is the glass and wardrobe here as well. Apart from the mini bar area and the storage as well for your bottles and champagnes and châteaux and the best of what you have in from French Bordeaux. You got your exquisite and swish looking chairs with the balconies outside. You are on top, no obstruction whatsoever. Look at this design as well. Have you seen something like this? They will live in here and they moved out. They want to take this on the market and sell through Rafiq Merchant. This is exclusively to us. Wooden flooring, absolutely right. No wooden tilings, wooden flooring. And look at the ceiling height as well of the wardrobes. All their storage wardrobes here as well. Now here as well you see where you have your dressing, where you have your lipsticks and hairbrush and everything. So that's how it is designed, so that just open it up and start dressing up. And your big balcony here as well with the grills and the storage. So beautiful and exclusive and exquisitely designed. Now where's the bathroom, you'd be wondering. Here it is. So it doesn't look like there's a bathroom in there, but here it is. Yes, brilliant. By Toto as well. That's your storage as well. The down there, the drawers and the shower cubicle and the duct area and the marble. Everywhere it's a marble here. Be enamored by the beauty of it and the luxury of it. So big 8 BHK duplex converted into a massive 4.5 BHK, 5 BHK actual. You can convert this into a 5, massive, huge for the aficionados, for somebody who's a connoisseur of a luxurious apartment. Advertise, sell, rent your properties on YouTube and Instagram with Rafiq Merchant. This is available at a fantastic price, a price that you cannot resist, an offer that you cannot refuse. Cheers.